Hello, everybody, and welcome to an edition of Crypto Guys. Now, James is not able to make it, but anyway, I'm going to go through what's going on with the charts. Probably what you're wondering, anyway, right? Like what's really going on. And so let me share my screen so we can take a look at that. Let's see, what do we got? Share screen. Uh, let's see. See my okay, right there. All right, so what we have here is basically Bitcoin breaking the support, right? And so we mentioned this very strong trend going up, and we broke out of it. And so because we broke out of it, that's probably better if I bring that here. Because we broke out of it, it is very dangerous for Bitcoin. Dangerous meaning that we could go down basically to to the bottom here, and I would start really buying seriously at 40,000. Now, I have been mentioning this. I wasn't sure it was going to pan out the way it did because if you go back, right, we can zoom out a little bit. I did say that this pattern could follow that, and we could go as low as 29,000 before I think there's a strong buyback for sure. In fact, I don't even think 29 is going to happen. I think it's probably going to be near to 34. So I'm starting buying seriously at 34. Now, I do want to take a look at a daily chart, 1 day chart, because I think that if we go, and I set up my alarms, that if we go lower than the 30 on the daily, that is a very strong buy signal. And I think that may happen. Okay, so let's zoom in a little bit and take a look at that. So what I'm saying, right, is that if this goes down below and bounce back, that is a very strong buy signal. Now, you don't want to buy all at once. You're going to DCA as it goes down, right? But it's a very strong buy signal if we're going to see that. Because the reason I say that, let's go back there. The reason I say that is every time we've went down, we've always went back up, and even we went back to the top. See that, like, so buy here, right, and sell there, right? So definitely one of the good tools to buy and sell would be the RSI. Okay. The other one could be Stoke. We mentioned with you before the Stoke, right, on a longer time frame. So Stoke RSI is a very good one as well to let us know what's going on. And if we go to like a longer time, like 3 days, we can see that while we were here, we were telling people to buy. If you go back to our previous video, you can see that, hey, this is a good place to buy. And then you could sell at the top, right? And of course, that was right. So, and we're making our way back there again to below that, right? You could see like this is a good place to buy, right? So I would look at that. You could look at weekly time frame as well, which we'd also mention that it doesn't go here very often. So if you had listened to us when we were telling you that, we said the weekly time frame is the best one. Well, you would have made 44%. So now we're not all the way down there, but it doesn't go there very often. So I don't think it will go back there. So I think that was your sell signal here, okay, which we mentioned to you before. So you buy here on the weekly. So it does go, but it doesn't happen very often. Okay, this was June 2021. Now this is, you might see something like this on the weekly. So I think that opportunity might be over. If it does, I don't know if it will go all the way back down. So that's why I would not use the weekly. I think 3 days is probably a good one. If you want to play it safe, like when it goes under, you start buying, right? So 3 days is good. All right. So I think it's just present an opportunity. It's also possible we just go right back in, but that probably not going to happen. I mean, we are getting a little bit of green up, but that probably means we're just going to be rejected. So it was support. Now it's resistance. So that's where we are right now. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn how to trade, you can go to metagold.com, and we have a program in there that teaches you how to trade at Metagold. If you buy $1,000 of Metagold, you can join the Metagold coaching. Okay. And the coaching is based to teach you how to trade. If you go to your Metagold rewards dashboard, then we have like different tier membership. And this tier, the 1,000, I'll show you what the tier levels are. This tier includes coaching. access to millionaire crypto coaching. And I let you know when I buy, when I sell. We're about to let people know like what are the altcoins in my portfolio and all that. Okay. So this is a really good opportunity. Go buy MetaGold if you want to learn how to trade with me. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now, everybody. See you next time. And make sure to go in the description for MetaGold. Bye for now.